He's alright, I've got the red pen out now. I'm in fucking
Will you relax?
I'm not gonna fucking relax. I'm not gonna relax. No. First of all, you made a problem about us building a tower. Okay?
Stop.
You know, why is that bad?
You're being
Because
quick.
you're fucking worried the
Stop
council's
making you
gonna
tell me you're being quick.
Stop talking, Dad. Look, I've just got close to you and you want to fucking touch me, alright? Stop having fucking swimming Chris. Get to bed, mate. I fucking call up from Zola for all I fucking care, mate. You know?
Accusing us of being quick.
Like, honestly, like...
And stop using something quick. I know it's in common weird. It's me,
Dad,
isn't it?
Let me tell you a little secret here, right?
No, Chris Ferber,
What I expected to be.
Chris Ferber was big, yeah? And 100 in one. Or twice. It was all as good as anything.
I have the Swiss Army knife in my right pocket. It's a Huntsman, Sportsman edition, and it has a sword.
But see Chris Ferber GL.
Yeah. Is that what you want to know, Dad?
That's what I respect.
Dad, look, I respect. You don't tell me what you did last night.
Tell
You know
me,
what you did
is
last
that what you meant by the black rum?
night. Right.